Hello viewers, and welcome back to your favorite baking channel, Baking with Chef Tonde. Today we introduce to you American cookie. We're going biscuit, we're going all sweet, we're going cookie. What do you need for American cookie? It's a biscuit, it's a cookie, it's a sweet delicacy. So what you need, you only need 5 ingredients. There is 5 main ingredients. Now and then you might find other people adding any other things that are optional, like chocolate nibs or sweet or your chocolate in general, white chocolate or mint nibs or nuts. But the basic recipe is what we are going to be doing today. Any other thing is optional. So what are the main 5 ingredients that we need? We need our flour. We pour it out. We need our sugar. Everything, you just put everything on. We need our butter. You put your butter. It's a biscuit. It's a cookie. So there is nothing special about the cookie. It's just the same old traditional way of doing things. There is your baking powder. Baking powder. Then your egg. What's left? Mix it. You just mix everything. It's an American cookie. So what you need is your sugar, most preferably caster sugar. It's caster sugar. It's a little bit finer. It's not so coarse like normal sugar. Then your egg. So as we are just making a very small batch, so meaning to say I tried by all means to calculate and minimize and reduce a bigger batch, a bigger recipe. So I minimize it to make just a small batch for the house. Anyone can try it at home without any big expenditure. The recipe on its own, the bigger one, it's like for a kilo of flour, you need 10 grams of baking powder, 720 grams of butter, 720 grams of caster sugar, and almost 200 grams of egg. So meaning to say it's like 4 normal eggs per kilo of flour. So what you do, so you just take it out. This is our basic recipe for American cookie. Just like that. Remember, it's a cookie, so it must be, you mustn't over mix it. So you just mix enough the ingredients so that they just bind together. But don't let even that caster sugar to dissolve. You just put even with your hands. That's why I like to use my hands, because I can really control everything nicely. Just like that. There is our cookie dough, American cookie dough. So what do you do next? If you so willing to make a chocolate, then you can divide. So we have two halves. So the other one we will add cocoa powder. The other one we leave it plain. But if you have chocolate nibs, then you can add chocolate nibs and you are ready to go. So what you do from now, your dough, you leave it in the fridge for at least 12 hours, just for it to set down. Then you spread it, then you will cut everything using your different cutters, of which we will do in the next episode, where we will be showing you spreading our dough. For now, we're gonna let our dough rest for at least 12 hours. Then we will be able to spread it with a rolling pin. Then we cut into different shapes and sizes and bake. Then we enjoy our American cookie. This is all for now. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe to our channel as we grow the channel together. Maitabasa, siyabonga, tizaonana pa next episode. Magwiranjito, zikomo kwambiri. Thank you.